Hey everybody, this is Larry. This is me trying to do the first day of June Leetcode Daily Challenge. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, join me in Discord. Let me know what you think. Well, as soon as it loads anyway. Yeah. Welcome everybody if you haven't watched it. Hopefully, yeah. I'm in Armenia right now in Diligent. So maybe it's a little bit slow, but yeah, we'll be doing this. If you're new here, we'll be doing this all month. We've been having a good streak going, I guess. So it's gonna happen. And yeah, and let's take a look. Today's problem is shortest path in a binary matrix. 1091. So okay, so we're gonna a clear binary path, so you can go from upper left to lower right, and you could go 8 diagonals, and the length of a clear path is the number visited. So it just seems like the shortest path, right? Of oh wait, do we just go through zeros? Or the visited cell path? 0. That's a really weird phrasing, maybe? Okay. I mean, I think you can just go for 0. I think or the visited cell is a weird phrasing. But yeah, there are multiple ways to do it. This is just the shortest path problem. Seems like you're going, just from through zeros is the things you can pass through, and yeah, and let's get to it then, right? So the idea here is just buffer search for me. Yeah, so return -1 if there's no path, and then q is equal to collect a deck, right? And then we have a, let's say, nq function that just or maybe with a distance, and then distance of xy is equal to d, and that's right. And then maybe if distance xy is not equal to infinity, then we return, so we don't actually enqueue. So maybe it's a maybe enqueue if you want to call it that. Some infinity number, and we set up the matrix. R is equal to length of grid, C is equal to length of grid of 0. Let's just say infinity times C for in range of R, right? So basically this gives us a R by C matrix of distance of infinity, and we want to enqueue 0, 0, 0 at, well, number of visited cell, so this is actually at 1 for whatever reason. And then yeah, let's get to it. Then xyd is equal to q dot pop left. I guess d is actually not in here. D is equal to distance of xy, right? And you set up the directions, and directions is pretty straightforward, right? It's all 8 directions, so you don't have to really do anything that funky, as long as you remember to do all of these. You can also just write 2 for loops. I don't know. I don't know how I feel about it. This is just like what do we call it? Muscle memory at this point to write. But the advantages for this particular piece is that, or maybe not for this particular piece, but the advantage is that if you write things the same way, even if sometimes it's a little bit wordy, you get to kind of build on that, right? And if things look different, then you can, but at the end of the day, practice is practice, right? So it just depends on how you want to go about it. There is something to be said about there's something to be said about like flexibility as well, right? So I guess technically we already checked this. So, okay, we don't even need this technically, because this is a maybe NQ, right? an early, and that should be pretty much it. This is, unless I really misunderstood the problem, huh? Oh, whoops, that's why. That is silly. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Why am I doing 3? Okay, well, this is just -1. Oh man, I'm just being dumb, of course. We have to do... we never checked anything, so if... Whoops. Is equal 0. 1 or... yeah. De Morgan. Alright, there we go. That's like such a critical part. Oh no, I've been sloppy. Oh, lazy, Larry. I'm sorry, friends. I'm trying to catch a buzz right afterwards, but yeah. That's just me being lazy, or like rushing it a little bit, I suppose, to be honest. But yeah. But the algorithm is straightforward. You have to you have to be careful about the edge cases, and apparently this is the first time I screwed that up. But maybe I was rushing a little bit too much, and I was talking too much while coding. But yeah, I don't really have much to add to this one. This is regular breadth-first search. You know, other than you have to be a little bit careful, or a lot careful, or just a little bit careful. Yeah. Let me know what you think. Stay good, stay healthy, to good mental health. I'll see you later. Take care. Bye bye.